Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to you all in online classes of mathematics. In last video, we have learned about how to compare numbers, right? I hope you all have done your homework. In today's video, we are going to learn about ascending and descending order of numbers. To understand this, first we have to learn about what is ascending and descending order of numbers.
Ascending order means smallest to the biggest, and descending order means from biggest to the smallest. First, I will explain you ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. As we write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, as we move upstairs. So, when we order numbers from smallest to biggest, it is called ascending order. Look at these ducks. These ducks are arranged in ascending order. Look at this example also. These numbers are arranged in ascending order. Let's do descending order now. Descending order means decreasing order. We write the numbers from the greatest to smallest as we move downstairs. Look at these ducks. These ducks are arranged in descending order, and this example, these numbers are being arranged in descending order. First 506 is the biggest and 69 is the smallest.
Okay, so you have seen ascending order means going up. When you go upstairs, it means ascending order from smallest to biggest number. That means you have to arrange the numbers. First of all, you have to write the smallest number and then to the biggest number. Okay. I have written one example here. This question is not given in your textbook. Okay. So see carefully. There are four numbers: 7,298, 7,290, 7,920 and 7,029. You have to compare all the four numbers. Okay. And while comparing all these numbers, you have to find out the smallest number out of these numbers. Okay. As we are writing ascending order, so first thing we have to write is the smallest number. So compare these four numbers. First we have to compare the thousands place. So here 7, 7, again 7 and 7. That means all equal to 7. Next we have to compare hundreds place. So here 2, again 2, 9 and 0. That means 0. This number is the smallest number, so write it here. 7,029 is the smallest number out of these numbers. Now, three more numbers left. Again compare these three numbers. 7, 7 and 7. In hundreds place, 2, 2 and 9. That means we have to compare these two numbers. Out of these two numbers, which is the smallest number? 7298 or 7290? Yes, 7290. So write this number next. Understood? Then two numbers left, 7298 and 7920. That means in hundreds place, here 9 is there, here 2 is there. 2 is smaller than 9. So we will write next number 7298. And what is the last number left? 7920. Write it here. That means this is the biggest number. So this way we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Understood? Now we will do exercise questions, which is given in your page number 82. Now see exercise question number 4. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. This question is given in your textbook. There are 3 questions given in your textbook. I am solving the first questions and you have to solve the rest 2 questions. Okay? So see here. First question is 5,570, 5,105, 5,050, 5,650 and 5,510. You have to again compare all the numbers and find out the smallest number out of these numbers, as we have to arrange them in ascending order. So find out the smallest number. Start from the thousands place. 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. That means in thousands place everywhere 5 is there. Second one in hundreds place. 5, 1, 0, 6 and 5. 0 is the smallest. So we will write first number, that is the smallest number out of these number is 5,050. Understood? Second one, again we have to find out. So in thousands place, everywhere 5 is there. Again we will compare the hundreds place. 5, 1, 6 and 5. That means 1 is the smallest here. So cut this number and write it here. Understood? Then again 5, these 2 numbers. See, in hundreds place both the numbers have 5 in it and here 6. That means it is the biggest. So we will compare these 2 numbers first. 5570 and 5510. Which is the smallest number? Yes. 5510. So we will write here 5,510. Then these 2 numbers left. 5570 and 5650. That means in hundreds place 5 is there and here 6 is there. That means this is the smaller number. 5,570 and the left out number, last number is 5,650, which is the biggest number out of these numbers. Okay, so this way you have to arrange the numbers from smallest number to the biggest number. Understood? Now let's do descending order. Descending order means coming down. Means from biggest number to the smallest number. We have to arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest number. Okay? I have written one example here. This question is not given in your textbook. See here. 6,150, 7,130, 8,512, 6,142. You have to write here the biggest number first, as we have to arrange them in descending order. So we will find out the biggest number out of these 4 numbers. Then we will write the smaller ones. Okay. So find out the biggest number out of these number. Compare the thousands place. 6, 7, 8 and 6. That means 8 is the biggest number out of these numbers. So cut here and write it here. 8,512. Now next again compare thousands place. 6, 7 and again 6. That means 7. So 7,130 is the next biggest number. So which is smaller than this number. Okay. Then 2 numbers left. Find out the smaller one. Out of these 2, 6,000, here also 6,000. Next 100 place, 1, 1. In tens place, 5 and 4. That means 5 is greater than 4. So we will write this number first. 6,150 and the last number which is left is 6,142. So this way you have to arrange the numbers in descending order. That means from the biggest number to the smallest number. Now coming to the exercise question. This is question number 5. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Okay. This is your first question. Rest 2 questions you will solve by yourself. I am doing the first one. Okay. See. 3,241, 2,431, 4,231, 1,243 and 2143. Compare all these numbers, and out of these numbers what you have to find out? You have to find out the biggest number. Okay? So find out the biggest number. 3, compare the thousands place. 3, 2, 4, 1 and 2. So 4 is the biggest. Cut here and write it here. 4231 is the biggest number out of these numbers. Again find out 3, 2, 1 and 2. That means 3241 is the next number. Next, again find out 2, 1 and 2. These 2 have 2 in it in thousands place. Then again find out the hundreds place. 4 and 1. That means 4 is greater than 1. So this will be the next biggest number. So 2, 4, 3 and 1. 2431 will be the next number. Again, only 2 numbers left, 1 and 2. So find out 1 and 2. In thousands place here 1 is here and here 2. That means 2 is greater than 1. So cut here and write it here. 2143. And which is left number? This is the left out number. So write it here. This is the smallest number out of these numbers. So this way we have to arrange the numbers in descending order from biggest number to the smallest number.